We have a gorgeous fridge right now. We've got amazing organic, locally grown produce from Grow NYC. We've got leftover school milk. Can't beat that. We have these cool boxes of pastries from Panera and Paris Baguette, or Paris Baguette, depending on where you're from. We're going to be putting out boxes like this throughout the day. There's a whole range. If you're allergic to nuts, might not be for you. We have this delicious coconut juice courtesy of the Phoenix Community Fridge. Thanks for sharing. And I think that's pretty much the extent of it. There might be some more Halloween candy coming out later today, so stop on by.